Hi everyone, it's Lynette with charmedgrammycrochet. Today is, excuse me, Wednesday, June 1st, 2022, which means it is the end of the crochet calendar for May, and it's time to do the drawing. And let me grab the calendar, duh. Okay, I'm back with the calendar. So the pattern that we were doing for May was this motif that was to make a purse. As you can see, it's a bag, and you lined it, and you know it's gorgeous if you did indeed decide to do that. There are a couple of people that did actually make a bag. I did not. I made a placemat, and it's at the campground, and obviously I'm not there, so I can't show it to you. I don't even know if I have a picture of it, but I have pictures of other projects. There were 12 projects submitted to me, and I put all of their names in a random name picker, and they are going to win a prize. The prize is 2 skeins of this Forever Revolution. Hold on. In my favorite color, purple. So first it's in purple, and it's this, okay, it's called Revolutions yarn by Universal Yarn Company. I do have 2 of them, and they're this purple fuzzy. The cording in them isn't real tiny. Well, maybe it is kind of tiny. I don't know, can you see it? But it's got a big halo, but it is so pretty. It is very soft. It is 57% acrylic, 15% nylon, 10% alpaca, 10% wool, and 8% mohair. So it's very soft, and I hope someone can make a great project with that. How much yardage is here? Hold on, let me. I guess it's just very tiny. They're 7 ounces, 200 grams, 612 yards, 560 meters. Bulky weight is what they're saying. So you get 1,200 meters or 1,200 yards. They're saying it's bulky, but like I showed you the string inside, it's not all that thick. You'll also be receiving this hand cream from Dermacell Labs Aloe Moisturizing Body Lotion. Do not shut off on me. And I got this notebook from Hobie. I just received some more Hobie yarn, and to make 2 projects with to review for you guys and show off. I've started one of the 2 projects, and I don't think it's going to take that long to make, so I can't wait to produce that video. But anyway, they sent me 2 of these, so I'm going to send one to you, the winner of this month's giveaway. So that's what's going to be in the giveaway. Next month, or this month actually, for June, this is what we're making if you desire to make this particular project. This is from the Annie's Crochet Calendar, and it's not a granny stitch, but it's squares. So you start with double crochets in the middle, and then there's a shell stitch that I think is 2 rounds, and then you start back to the border, like the border and the join. You do all at one time around each of these, but then there's an outside border as well. I'm doing mine in red, white, and blue. I have started with just the centers. I've started with the centers. I took them to work and worked on some of those. If you don't have the catalog, it is available, I think, still for PDF download. If you want to get the calendar with the patterns in it, I think it's like $6. Maybe it's even less now because it's halfway through the year. So maybe, I don't know, I haven't looked. But if you want to make this and download that, if you don't have it, I think you can still do that. You don't have to make that pattern just like any other month. Be creative with some kind of square and make something. I just saw the Crochet crowd coming out with a cardigan made out of granny squares. Looked pretty awesome. So I think that's starting. You might want to try that. I don't know. So anyway, there were 12, and anyone, if you've never participated before, it doesn't mean you can't participate now. You just have to make something, use a few squares. I'm not real picky about that. But let me turn this around. I put all the names of all 12 of us. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, here we go. I put all 12 names in this random comment picker, and we're going to start. Wait, no, we're not adding to Chrome. What the heck? No, go back. We're not doing this. Okay, I guess I started the wrong thing. Start right there. No, I don't want to do that. Why is it doing this? Hold on. Okay. I couldn't get that one to work, so I put the names in this one, and we're going to just do this one. And we just have to spin. And the winner is Dina. All right, Dina, just go ahead and email me your address, and I will get your prize package out to you. So congratulations. Yay. Okay, just want to remind you all to continue to watch at the end of the video. I will have pictures of everybody's entries with their names on it here at the end. So please watch that as well. And congratulations, Dina. And as I said, just go ahead and email me, send me an email to charmedgrammycrochet@gmail.com. It will be linked in the description box below. I can't wait to see everybody's entries for this month. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.